on the Jeep. Now we're going to show you how to put that Jeep logo on this side. So here's the Jeep wrap project as completed. You can see the seam work there, how we did it. There's also seam work in here, up in here, which is hard to see. There's some there, hard to see. There are also some around the window, so we didn't use a huge piece for that. And then you can see how we made all of the hinges black, so they kind of match. So that worked. We used the Forever Black on here, and we also used it down here on these panels and on the fenders to renew them, so everything looks like new now. And you see some of the seam work there. Again, hard to see the seam work. Very hard to see our seam work there and there. We were very careful on how we matched them. So there you go. It's a project. I probably have about 60 hours in this project, maybe a little more. I do have to put this Jeep thing on the other side, so I'm going to go work on that. I'll show you that in another video. Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're going to make this say Jeep again. So what are we going to do? Again, we're going to be out with our isopropyl alcohol. Put a little on the rag. And we're going to clean this up just like this. Not a lot, but a little bit. Just so we got it clean. Now we're going to go in the house. We're going to get the Jeep sticker. And we'll be back and we'll show you how we're going to do that. We're going to line it up, and it's a trick. When you buy these, then these are Chrysler approved. I did not buy an aftermarket one. It's got this clear on it, or this white opaque on it, so you can keep all the letters at the right spacing. So what we have to do is line it up and hold it in place while we put it down. So what we're going to do, little blue tape, and we're going to come up here. We're going to kind of put the J right at the corner where the J should be. And then we're going to try to do the Jeep part right where the Jeep should be. We're not sure, but we think that's where it goes. It looks pretty good there. You can kind of see the raised up part. Looks like it may be a little bit low. I'm going to take it off again. Yeah, a little bit. Once you get that where you think you got it right, you can tip this up like this, and you can peel the backing off using one of your wrap scrapers. Just come here and start working it down. Now what you want to do is work this real good while it's on this paper. Don't worry about scratching it. It's underneath the underneath this other paper. There we go. Take that off and then peel this very carefully to make sure it comes off and leaves the letters. And there you go. And if you got a little spot you want to work, once you get it off, take a look at it. But there you go. We laid it right over the other one. We left the other one under the wrap. So don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Amazon links for this will be in the description. Use it to buy it if you need it, because it helps support the channel. We appreciate all your support and patronage. So we will catch you in the next video.